Hello everyone, welcome back. In the previous lesson we talked about polynomials regression, but I want to tell you something about it. It's really dangerous to working something that has degrees. Why I'm saying that? Sometimes you make something to overtrain. What overtrain means, I tell you in the previous lessons. By overtraining, your could predict your train data very well, but it do its worst in the test data, and it's important for us that our program works well on the data it don't even see. For that we do something. We create train data and test data to see if we do something overtrain, how to understand and change it back. Sometimes in training also our model get split our train data, but I will tell you more about it in another lessons. Okay, let's go. We have some data and you all already know what this data is about. Let me call it regression project 2. Okay, let's open it. At first, let's see how many of the students failed the past the exam. Okay, let's sum it. 28. Not a bad, not a good number. Okay, what we're gonna do, we're gonna create a code to predict their score, final score, that is something here. Let me show you the final score. That is sum of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of their lessons. I want to write a code that give you them the final scores based on one of them, not the 6 of them, and tell me in the code which one is accurate. In the next lesson we are going to start doing this project. You have time for doing it. If you want to do it yourself, you can pause watching the videos and do it by yourself. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We are going to break it down in the next lesson and write a linear project from 0. Have a good day.